Lately, my hair has been dull and frizzy, so today I'll show you how I get luscious hair with the help of Argatin Repair Lasting Shampoo. It's really easy to use. Take an adequate amount of shampoo and apply it to your wet hair and scalp. Massage gently with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes and work into a rich lather. Rinse thoroughly and follow it up with Argatin Repair Lasting Conditioner. Prepared with argan oil, this shampoo is a rich source of protein, lipid, vitamin and mineral that deeply nourishes damaged, dry and frizzy hair. It provides protection from root to tip, helps to reduce hair fall and provides smooth and shiny hair. Keratin protein helps to enhance the hair's resilience by nourishing hair fibers deeply and by moisturizing the dry scalp. So see the difference. Gorgeous hair is now possible with Argatin.